Hey guys, last week I posted an introductory video which taught you how to incorporate color when tying the reverse double half hitch knot. Today I'm excited to teach you how to create a colored diamond pattern using the reverse double half hitch knot. Before we get started, I quickly want to remind you that I wrote a book and it is available for pre-order now. Please see the description for details on my book and how to pre-order. Thanks again so much for your support. Okay, let's get started on today's tutorial. For your setup, cut 3 pieces of 3mm natural string and 2 pieces of 3mm soft fruit string, each piece is 2 meters in length. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using a larkside knot. This pattern creates a diamond that is just over 2 by 2 inches in size. To create the diamond, we will need to tie our knots in a certain way to make sure that either the natural or soft fruit cord is visible from the front of our work. Pay close attention to which way I am tying my knots. For instance, I use a natural colored working cord to tie my first knot moving from right to left. Then I use another natural colored working cord to tie my second knot moving from left to right. This pattern will require you to tie 8 rows total. You will start with a row of 4 knots, then alternate between tying 5 then 4 knots for the remaining rows. Repeat this pattern to tie continuous diamonds along your work. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.